What you say that?
So this fluid portion here, this portion of the brain is smaller than what it should be for children his age. So that's called the cerebellum, and this condition is called cerebellar hypoplasia, meaning that the cerebellum is too small. And so this fluid collection here is then formed around this because it didn't form appropriately. So this would happen whenever he was born, or before he was born, actually, and that this cerebellum was small and has remained that way. And so this is not something that was caused by any type of medication or anything like that. More than likely, this is something that is related to his underlying DNA, more like his genetic makeup. More than likely is caused a lot of the symptoms that he's had. And we've done a fair amount of genetic testing and have not found a clear answer, but that still doesn't... that is probably a reflection of the type of testing that's been done and not so much his underlying disease. What I mean by that is there are some genetic tests that we just aren't, they aren't good enough at this point to reveal all the answers. And we had talked about potentially doing the next line of testing, which is called a whole exome sequence, which he has not had yet, but insurance companies won't pay for it yet. And so we talked about potentially looking at him from a research perspective, doing the whole exome sequence. But our current study here is not enrolling any patients right now. So there may be some... I know that he's been seen over at UNC Genetics. So if they were doing a whole exome sequencing study over there, that would be something that would strongly encourage him to participate in, because that may give you some answers in terms of what he has.
Oh.